In today's world, in order to make a difference, we don't just need to stop at what we were doing. We need to do better. And that starts with sustainability. At industrial level, sustainability is achieved on producing quality castings with a positive impact on the environment. A quality casting is a reflection of good surface finish, which is achieved by the casting's microstructure alignment. As a foundryman, we are well aware that casting surface defects lead to high cost in machinability. And the best practice to avoid this on the metal and mold interface is by the use of foundry coatings. With an increasing footfall in the global market, our products help you achieve the desired casting quality. In the agricultural sector, in the automotive sector, in harnessing the wind energy, and even in the mining industry. Our solutions cater to every need the foundrymen desire to achieve. Shamlax presents color-changing coatings in action. Let's begin by taking a cold box core which is used for automobile castings. Now we will manually dip this core. For this process, we will use our aluminosilicate color-changing coating. Please take note that, after dipping, the core is now brick red in color. Now, as these cores have passed through the oven, their color has changed from brick red to yellow, indicating that the core is now 100% moisture-free. On comparison, we can note the visual color change of the core as it dries in the oven. This color changing provides the benefit of cost savings in coating used, as well as in oven drying cycle. On moisture pickup, our coatings also change color reversibly. This helps in eliminating all moisture-related defects. Hence, our coatings are also called as smart coatings. Welcome all. We are pleased to present you with SwiftCoat 100cc, the first ever color-changing coating in powder form. To begin with, let's take a good look at our setup. Here we have placed 4 bags of powder coating, each weighing 25 kilograms. This is labeled as Part A. On the bottom half, we have 4 vessels containing our liquid. This is labeled as Part B. Our team has designed this system based on the 1-to-1 rule, which means that if you take 1 bag powder that is Part A and add 1 vessel of liquid Part B along with the required amount of water, then you can produce a batch of minimum 30 to 35 kilograms of coating. Now, based on this rule, you can arrange a single system, a double system, and even multiple system additions. It is totally up to you. Now, let's prepare our coating. At first, we will open up all the bags. Now we will open all the liquid vessels. For this batch, we will add 34 liters of water. And then start the agitation process. Now we will carefully empty all the 4 liquid vessels into our batch. This is how it looks after adding all the 4 vessels. Now let's add all the powder into the system. This is how it looks. Our coating has now developed the signature purple color. This is how it looks after sufficient amount of mixing. Now let's check the bombe of our coating. These are the following results obtained. This bombe is suitable for brush applications. Now, we will show you the application of our coating on a furan sand core. The coating has been diluted enough so that the process of dipping can be carried out. But first, let's check the bombe of our coating. Here are the results. This bombe range is suitable for dipping and flow coating applications. Now, it's time to gently dip our core into the coating. We will show you how this color changes from purple to yellow by placing this core into the oven. The optimum drying temperature for the core is from 150 to 180 degrees Celsius. For best results, it is highly recommended that the core should be dried by using a blowtorch or industrial oven. Ambient air drying should be avoided. Now, let's compare a wet core with a completely dried core and compare the color change outcome. Our coating is highly sensitive to moisture pickup. See what happens when we put a drop of water on the dried core. The wet patch immediately changes its color from yellow to purple, indicating that the specific area now has picked up moisture. Hence, our coatings are also called as smart coatings. But that's just not all. We have much more to offer. We also supply exothermic and insulating riser sleeves for the modern foundry. Our modified sleeves for SG iron castings help in avoiding graphite degradation below the riser. Hence, by the use of our sleeves, we were able to achieve 90% nodularity below the riser on the casting surface. We provide sleeves such as cylindrical, oval, and neck down. Our sizes range from 1 inch in diameter to 24 inches in diameter. Our flux section includes the manufacturing of various powder, liquid, and chemical fluxes. Our special fluxes, on contact with the liquid metal, generate enough heat to maintain its fluidity. This avoids the rapid solidification of the liquid metal in the riser. We, at Shamlax, are committed to provide our customers with quality in every step they take with us. Because, in this competitive world, supplying quality is a serious profession, and we, at Shamlax, are dedicated to it. Empowering foundries with our technology and excellence. We are Team Shamlax.